Fig season, while far too short, is one of my absolute favorite times of the year, and this fig and goat cheese galette with caramelized onions celebrates exactly why. In my opinion, figs are the king when it comes to sweet and salty, and there's a reason why you'll always see a fig jam on a cheese board. They just pair so incredibly well, and they're such a wonderful, versatile ingredient. It has finally been a little bit cooler and a little rainy in New York, and all I wanted was something cozy that I could sit on the couch and watch a movie with, and this was perfect. I pretty much always have a batch of pie dough in my fridge or freezer exactly for moments like this. The recipe's on my page a few videos back. It's super simple, but I just rolled that out, added some garlic and herb goat cheese, some incredible smelling caramelized onions, and then of course the star of the show, the figs. I finished it all off with a light egg wash to make sure everything comes out nice and shiny, and then popped it in a hot oven. I finished with a drizzle of honey when it got out of the oven, and then did my favorite thing to do with any bake, which is cut it up, bring it to a friend's, and enjoy the night.